Meet Sunny the Seed. Sunny the Seed sleeps underground with a cozy blanket of soil. Above the soil, a bright sunny sky, smiling clouds, and a curious bird. Close-up labeled diagram of the seed showing embryo, baby plant, endosperm, food for the embryo, seed coat, like a blanket, protection. 2. The magical wake-up rain droplets gently fall on the soil. Roots reach toward a tiny underground puddle. Sunny's sleepy face turns into a surprised, "Oh!" expression as he begins to sprout. Above the soil, a small bump starts to appear where the sprout is pushing up. 3. Drinking sunlight, photosynthesis. Leaves shaped like solar panels with arrows showing light being captured. Tiny animated bubbles floating around representing water, H2O, and carbon dioxide, CO2. Glowing sugar drops, glucose, being made inside the leaf with sparkles. Tree frog or bug, peeking curiously at the glowing process. 4. Growing big and tall, roots and stems. Cutaway showing Sunny's deep roots stretching down and wide. Mini signposts underground, water here, nutrients this way. Arrows showing the journey of water and food, from roots, stem, leaves. Friendly bugs riding the water like a water slide through the stem. 5. A flower blooms. Sunny now tall with several leaves and a new bud at the top. The bud slowly opens into a colorful flower, bright petals, smiling center. Pollination scene. A bee in goggles and boots delivers pollen like a mailman. Wind blowing gently helps too, with animated swoosh lines. Fruits and vegetables appear split scene. One side showing a tomato fruit growing from the flower. Other sides, carrot underground with green top above soil, lettuce forming layers of leaves, potato clusters forming below soil level. Each plant part labeled fruit, root, leaf, stem, include a nutrition board showing yummy and healthy. 7. Harvest time and happy ending. A diverse group of kids, different genders, ethnicities, picking vegetables gently. Sunny and his veggie friends, with little arms and legs, waving and laughing. Picnic scene. Kids enjoying cut-up fruits and veggies under a tree. Rainbow in the background with message, "Thank you, plants."